Okay, and off. Wow, I haven't done this in a really, really long time. So back in the early days of my YouTube channel, I used to do this video series called Quick Tips, which was pretty much these quick tutorial videos that I'd post every Friday to help give you guys some quick tips if you're shooting something over the weekend. I'm gonna bring that back, and I'm hoping to post videos like that every Friday, probably a mix of quick tips and Q&As, I'm not sure yet. And because it's Memorial Day weekend over here in the States, I figured it'd be a really good time to bring back these fun videos. And so today we're gonna talk about filters, magnetic filters. So as many of you know, using ND filters is crucially important to filmmaking, especially if you're filming out in the bright sun. The only problem I have with ND filters is that you have to screw on the filter onto the lens, and it's kind of annoying if you have to take out the filter if you're switching lenses. It's great if you're just using one lens for your shoot, but I like to use multiple lenses. So having to take out the ND filter and putting onto another lens, and then you have to dust it off, you gotta clean it, it just gets complicated. Or if you're not using an ND filter and you're filming something inside, and then you have to go outside, and then you have to put on an ND filter, it just takes a lot of time away from the filming itself. Now, I know that might not be a big of a deal, but I've always wondered, is there a quicker way to attach an ND filter to a lens? And there is. Introducing the Manfrotto Xume Magnetic Filter Kit. The first thing you wanna do is attach the magnetic lens adapter. And so I'm just gonna use this lens right over here. And so basically I'm just gonna thread this adapter on. And the special thing about this adapter is that on the front of it is a magnetic strip. That magnetic strip is going to attach to this adapter over here. And this is the filter adapter that you would attach to your ND filter. And once that's on, all you have to do is snap. Oh, you can't even see me. Hold on. So just imagine that you're outside in the bright sun and you want to attach your ND filter quickly. All you got to do is go into your bag, get your ND filter, and boom. Easy. Filter off, filter on, filter off, filter on. And by the way, you don't have to use the Manfrotto ND filter. You can use any ND filter you want to. So if you already have an ND filter that you use and love, then by all means use it. And all you have to do is just get the adapters for the filter and for the lens. I will say that it's probably not best for variable ND filters, variable ND filters, because with those filters, you kind of have to twist to set your exposure. And if you twist it the wrong way, you might loosen the grip of the adapter. And so this is really designed more for static ND filters like ND8, ND16, 64, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that's today's quick tips and the end of this video. Just kidding, I have one more announcement. Because it's Memorial Day weekend here in the States and in other parts of the world, it's just another bank holiday. Memorial Day weekend pretty much is the kickoff to the summer. And because it's the summer, I'm gonna do a massive sale on my website where I'm going to sell all my LUTs for $1. $1, that's including all the bundles. So if you wanna get my film journal LUT or my summer vibes LUT, you may as well get the bundle pack because that's gonna go for $1. Whatever you decide to do and whatever LUT you wanna get, make sure to enter the promo code SUMMER18 when you check out on my website. This sale will last until Monday, May 28th, 2018 at midnight. So if you wanna get your LUTs, get them now. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully that tip was helpful to you. Have a great weekend, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.